Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Music City Series Austin wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting if the speaker's not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to Bluetooth or it's not syncing or not pairing with your device. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, if you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is for whatever reason where you're just trying to delete all of the pairing history, clear all the settings out, so you can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's brand new. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is we're going to turn the power on and we're going to find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button here. We're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds until we hear the speaker say factory reset. Once it says factory reset, that means it's been factory reset. You can go ahead and delete this speaker off whatever devices you've had it paired with in the past and set it up like a brand new speaker.